Hi students, today we will see about some 2 marks in business strategy. So unit 1. So what is strategic intent? Maybe you can call it as intention. So strategic intent in business strategy is a long-term vision. So that gives an organization a clear sense of direction, where it has to go, what is its ambition, what is its purpose. So it is given by the strategic intent. So you can also say it as similar to intended strategy. So what it aims to do, it describes where the organization want to be in the future, what it aims to be, what it aims to achieve. So it actually inspires people to stretch beyond the current capabilities, because so if you want to do something and if you want to achieve something, so if we check the progress, if you have not reached that place, we actually push ourselves. So that is what is given in this line, that is often inspiring the people to stretch beyond the capabilities. Okay, the next question is highlight the importance of organizational mission. What is the importance of organizational mission? Okay, the mission actually clearly states why the organization exists, what for it is started, what is its aim, what it want to achieve. So mission helps to achieve a business organization vision, because vision is actually a long term goal, where the mission helps to achieve it by means of the processes that is taking place in day to day, or that is taking place immediately. So the mission acts as a foundation for setting goals, policies, and long-term strategies. So with which the goals, policies, and strategies are defined. It is actually the base point. The mission distinguishes the organization from competitors. So what is the competitive advantage of my company with the other company? So it distinguishes the competitors by means of showing its competitive advantage, and builds a unique identity in the market. So why, what is the difference in your company, why it stands out? So it answers that question. So clear mission provides the benchmarks to measure progress. So whenever there is a progress, so we have to measure it, what is with respect to some benchmarks means, for example, my mission is to have the customer satisfaction in a higher manner. So or it may be 80 percentage of customer satisfaction. We can check with that measure whether the company is able to obtain that by means of getting the feedback. That's what the benchmark states, that whether we are able to achieve that percentage of customer satisfaction. Thank you.